Monte Bello, the wine, is a really unique Bordeaux blend. Having Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, Petit Verdot, Cabernet Franc in blending, it has a wide array of flavor. It's a very complete wine made of many elements of the fruit, the acidity, the textural tannins. We're paying attention to all those elements as we're fermenting the fruit, deciding pump overs as we draw out color and tannin. And once we have the finished lots, they rest in barrel long enough for us to do a assemblage tasting. And as we're choosing the ingredients of the vintage, we're really paying attention to the textural elements and the balance. Monte Bello is really noted as one of the most balanced Cabernets produced in California. And because of that, it's going to have a profound elegance and finesse, as well as a really deep fruit character. When you taste it, it enters with intense flavor that then continues on. The 80s and early 90s are still highly drinkable wines today, and those were all made with the short maceration times and really paying attention to tannin extraction so that we can achieve making a Monte Bello that can be enjoyed when it's young, but also able to be enjoyed for many decades out.